Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are checking out another 1/72nd scale armor, and well, it's an armored half track. It is the good old German Sd.Kfz.251/7, which is the Pionierpanzerwagen. It is from Kursk in 1943. These are an engineering vehicle, as you can see. A little, I think there are 8-ton bridge sections on top there, and plus it would carry other engineering equipment. It is in the usual Dragon armor box. Let us release this half track and have a little look at it. All right. This is probably a little bit of an older one as well, so if you do like what you see, you'll have to do what I did and hunt on the interwebs. Now it's held on by a couple of little normal screws, so if you do want to take it off this base, you can. So it does have that acrylic cover, of course, so protect it from the dust, and it does come off very easily. And it does reveal this mighty cool looking half track, as you can see. It's got some great details in there. Let us zoom in so you can actually see those little minor details. Man, that does look cool inside there. It's got all the seats. Look at the detail on the MGs. Wow. It's got some extra rifle stowage in there as well. That does look awesome. And those little bridge sections on the top there, I don't think they would come off, but that does look absolutely insane. It's got some stowage items on the side. Shovel, a little pick, a little shovel. Yeah, that looks cool, definitely. And I mean, it's not huge, but oh, man, it's got some huge detail though. It does look insanely good. Oh, I really love these Dragon armor models. They look fantastic. I'm not sure about, although it does feel a little bit cold there, so it does have some metal in there, body-wise. Yep. It does look absolutely brilliant though, but it is not huge, as you can see with my hand. These half tracks are not very big at all, but what they lack in size, they definitely make up in, well, eye-popping awesomeness. All right, we're going to actually keep this one really short because there's not much else I can say except this is a freaking awesome model from Dragon Armor, and I'm not sure how easy they are to find. I just managed to happen upon this one. Sometimes they can go for a fair bit of money for such a small model. But if you do like what you see, don't forget, give me some of those if you found the video enjoyable. And of course, don't forget to punch that subscribe button if you're watching and have yet to do that. Don't forget, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. You would have seen the photos of it at the start, of course, as per usual. I'll whack it on the turntable at the end if you feel like seeing it spin around. All right, everyone. Once again, thank you for finding the time to drop past and check out another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed what hit your eyeballs today. Thanks for watching, and you all have an awesome sauce rest of your day. Cheers, everyone.